Hello, and welcome to Anyload's AN310 indicator calibration guide. We will go over actual calibration and digital calibration. Let's get started. To access the settings menu, simply tap the screen, then press and hold the home button in the bottom right corner. You'll be prompted for a password. Tap next to continue. Select actual calibration from the menu. First, select unidirection. Choose your calibration point. Set your maximum capacity. Then, set your minimum division. Remove any weights from the scale and press Next. Now place your calibration weight on the scale and press Reset. Enter the exact weight value, including trailing zeros, until you reach your decimal point. Choose your decimal point. Press Save to complete the calibration. Next, we'll go through digital calibration. Enter the Setup menu by tapping the screen, then press and hold the Home button. Now enter your default password. Select Digital Calibration. Start by selecting your direction, maximum capacity, and minimum division. Now enter your rated capacity. This is the total capacity of all connected load cells. Then enter the rated output. You can find this on the datasheet for your selected load cell. Set your decimal point. Placing weight on the scale is optional. Press Save to finish digital calibration. Let's say you want to modify your calibration. Select Modification from the menu. Tap Span Factor. Adjust your calculated span factor. Refer to the manual for a formula. Placing weight on the scale is optional. Press Save to complete your modification. You can also restore and back up your calibration data. From the menu, select Maintenance. Tap Restore. Tap Backup on an empty slot. To restore your file, tap Restore on your desired backup. The indicator will reboot. And that's it. Your AN310 indicator is now calibrated and ready to use. Thanks for watching.